Hey, everyone, welcome back to Hot Skinny Recipe, where today, we're diving into something that will warm your heart and fill your belly: comfort food. Whether you've had a long day or you're just craving a little coziness, these 10 simple and easy comfort food recipes are here to save the day. So grab your apron, and let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with recipe number 1: creamy mac and cheese. This one's a classic. All you need is pasta, a blend of your favorite cheeses, butter, and a splash of milk. It's rich, cheesy, and ready in under 20 minutes. Look at this creamy goodness. The secret: a little pinch of nutmeg to elevate the flavor. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Next up, we have chicken pot pie casserole. Instead of rolling out pie dough, we're keeping it easy with a flaky biscuit topping. Mix cooked chicken, veggies, cream of chicken soup, and a few spices, then bake it to golden perfection. Comfort food doesn't get any better than this. Here's a quick rundown of the rest of our cozy lineup. Loaded baked potato soup, creamy, dreamy, and topped with crispy bacon. Classic meatloaf packed with flavor and served with a side of mashed potatoes. Homemade grilled cheese and tomato soup, because some pairings are timeless. Shepherd's pie, a hearty dish with layers of seasoned ground beef, veggies, and mashed potatoes. Chicken Alfredo pasta, baked, cheesy, creamy, and oh so satisfying. Slow cooker beef stew, perfect for those chilly evenings. Crispy fried chicken, golden, crunchy, and finger-licking good. Apple crumble, and on a sweet note with this warm and comforting dessert. And there you have it, 10 simple and easy comfort food recipes that are guaranteed to bring a little extra joy to your table. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!